Hi, I'm Katy Thoma, President and CEO of the Chico Chamber, and today I am here with Melanie Bassett, who is the Executive Director of the Downtown Chico Business Association, and with Katy Valenzuela, who is in charge of engagement and is the Communications Director for the Downtown Chico Business Association. And they have some new initiatives going on in support of our downtown businesses, which is very exciting. And they have a new online platform. So you are able to go on an online platform and shop downtown without even going downtown. And this is really important in the light of COVID, as we're on the cusp of flu season and possibly, God forbid, another wave of COVID in Butte County, but we're doing great so far. But this is a super creative way for consumers, for Chico people, regional people, to shop online, and actually even out of towners that miss Chico can get in and shop downtown. So, but before we get started, I just, Melanie, if you could kind of give us a quick update on downtown, and then we'll move it to Katy and she can explain to us how this platform works.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us, Katy. You know, many of our businesses have been in and are in survival mode and risk closure if sales don't improve. And this is something we've wanted to do for several years now. But honestly, between the campfire, COVID-19, the North Complex fires, and Chico State students not returning, it's really quite a few stresses for a small community to endure. And I believe wholeheartedly that our small businesses in downtown Chico are really the most vulnerable in our region. And so this new platform, I think, is going to really lift up and help our businesses. Directly after COVID hit, we conducted a survey with our members and learned that 66% did not have an online presence. So we've been in earnest helping them have a presence, but also coming on board with this platform. You know, one of the things that we've always done to uplift our downtown is to bring people downtown with our events that we do all year long. And to this point, we're, you know, towards the end of October, and we've not been able to have one event. So this is something that I think is going to help, as well as ensure a successful holiday campaign. The two things we've been able to do is help with parklets downtown, outdoor dining. I think we have about 7 now, but we have a couple more in the queue. And also provide designated spots, parking spots for takeout and that kind of thing. But this will take all of that to a new level. So I'll let Katy tell you a little bit more about how it works.
Great. So it is very exciting, and the parklets are really fun, especially with this nice weather. I know that in speaking with some of the downtown merchants, that they already have plans in place to put heaters out. So if it gets a little chilly, you'll still be able to sit outside. And the regulations or the guidelines say that you have to have 3 sides open. And so they actually are going to have coverings and 3 sides open that'll block the wind. So I'm very hopeful for that. And it's wonderful to sit outside and have lunch or dinner or just meet up with a friend for a cup of coffee. It's just been great.
Yes, and our hope is to extend that as far as into the future as possible. And hopefully at some point in time, maybe some of them will turn into be a permanent outdoor dining situation.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
So Katy, how about you take it away? And I know that you have a screen you're going to share with us and show us what the online marketplace is.
Sure. So, you know, when COVID hit back in March and we did that survey and we found out that there weren't that many of our businesses that actually had an online presence, the president of the DCBA, his daughter lived up in the Pacific Northwest, and she showed him a site that was an online marketplace for their neighborhood up there. And so back in July, we started doing some research on it and found, I'll go ahead and share my screen right now. This is what it looks like. There we go. Can you guys see it?
We sure can.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the URL is shop.downtownchico.com. So it's very much like another well-known marketplace that starts with an A. And it's kind of, this is going to be our marketplace for downtown Chico. So you can do everything from shopping. If you go to shop, you can see that there's a number of businesses that have put their wares up, even like community radio, some of the dance companies. Each business is allowed to put up 20 different items, and they can rotate those as people buy them. So there's everything from jewelry to growlers to go to all of the Little Red Hen shops. Even Collier Hardware now has products up. So it's an amazing site. You know, we launched this about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and right now there's 32 different retailers. And if you go to the takeout and delivery site, there we go. You'll see that we have preloaded about 50 different restaurants. So if you want to go to Mom's and you want to order, you know, pickup, it'll go straight to their site. And from your phone, you can literally order your to-go, or you can make reservations to come downtown. It's really, really user-friendly. Everything from retail shopping to services like getting a haircut, all of that can be done from your mobile device or from your tablet or from your couch. And also it allows for us to go back and put all of our gift cards on there. So as you know, last year we came out with a downtown Chico gift card, and that's available, as well as all of the businesses get to put their gift cards up there as well. So I think it's a game changer for our downtown. You know, no matter what happens, we will have this platform for our businesses. We'll be able to do some of our events somewhat virtual with this platform, and we're just really excited about it.
So Katy, this is a game changer for sure. So each restaurant or retail outlet can do 20 items, up to 20 items, but they can change those out regularly. Is that correct?
So if they there's all of Mom's favorites. This is going to make me hungry. But as products get sold or new products come in with the seasons, like I know a lot of places are have their Halloween stuff up, and they're starting to get all their holiday products. So as soon as they get sold or new products can come up, they can just go in, edit it. It's extremely user-friendly.
So one of the things, and how you explained it to me, is if a person can upload a photo on Facebook, that they would be able to get an online presence, that it's not difficult.
Correct.
To do.
We wanted to make this as user-friendly as possible. And so really what we're doing is, for our businesses, is we're going to get their top 20 items for the ones who don't have the technical wherewithal, and we will preload those for them.
So I look at this and I see this as a great opportunity to start Christmas. Well, I've already started my Christmas shopping, but really to do some Christmas shopping. Absolutely. And really give a boost maybe early on for these downtown businesses to help them get through. I know that they could certainly use our assistance. I also like the idea of the downtown gift cards. Yeah. And that you can purchase those, use those for stocking stuffers. I think even for staff gifts, it's a great idea. I know that I have one friend who works for a large company in town, and I think it was last year they purchased a lot of these cards and gave them to their employees. So I think it's a great thing.
Exactly. We wanted to create a very, inclusive platform for all of our businesses, whether you're getting a haircut or you're getting a beer. Right? Or getting something to eat. So what a great thing. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed with how much even G-Ride has his stuff up on the site. And he's already had people call him to get a birthday ride around downtown Chico. So it just feels really, really good.
Yeah, and our other goal, Katy,
your innovation. Go ahead, Melanie.
Oh, sorry. The other goal that we have for the holidays is to have delivery service, same day service, so that we can sort of try to beat Amazon at their game. I think that'd be really fun to be able to do that.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's really clever. Especially as it gets to be the, 22nd, 23rd and
Yes.
those.
And we want to encourage
shopper.
people to start their holiday shopping now using the online marketplace.
Yep.
Yes.
The other thing
Absolutely. I'm
is
there with
that if you go in and view the details on this is 3 C's, cute little sweater. It's also available for local or curbside pickup. So you can buy it online and then you can pick it up in store, or they'll run it out to your car for you.
Great.
Oh, those are great options. Great. Well, I just really appreciate you all being so innovative, and like everybody else, the 2020 word is pivot, and you downtown is certainly pivoted and brought all your businesses with you. I think is just tremendous, and I think this will really, I think it will make it so much easier for so many people that maybe don't always shop downtown. And now this is because of parking or whatever, they find the challenges to coming downtown, and now this will make it just super easy and accessible. So, and also a reminder on the parking, the meter enforcement is just on the streets, but the parking lots continue to not, the meters are not being enforced. So if you come downtown, make sure you park in a city lot, and you do not have to feed the meter.
Including the
I think
parking
that's important.
structure.
Yeah, including the parking structure.
Including
which
the
is
parking
great.
structure. That's important for people to
Yes.
know. So you don't need to be scrounging for quarters.
Right.
Well, Katy, thank
Yeah.
you so much for allowing us to show your followers our marketplace. We're really excited about it.
Yep.
Well, congratulations. And we'll be looking and shopping, and take care, and happy holidays.
Too. Thank you, Katy.
Thank you, Katy.
Take care. Good job.
Thank you.